Hello everyone, it's Ron Collins from Lacy SEO, and today I want to show you how you can create some free promotional materials for your Google My Business. So stay tuned. All right, today I want to show you some free promotional materials, marketing materials from Google, and this is on a site called marketingkit.withgoogle.com. I'll leave the link in the description so you can take a look at it. So you can have free videos, posters, social posts for your Google My Business profile. And you can share the latest updates and highlights about your business. They've got some things ready for you that all you do is put in the words. They've got different backgrounds, not extensive. You can create a short video. It's a little less than 30 seconds, which that's the requirement for to put a video on Google My Business. A printable poster for your business. You can customize these posts for different sizes. Like this is one of them. This is one of the backgrounds. They don't have an extensive backgrounds or anything, but so let me show you what I did with a client that I have. Business card and postcard, ready-made posters and signs. Like they have a flyer, a poster, and you can, like they can pull reviews that you have, and this is a short quote from one of the reviews, and it has the name of the company and the person that that reviewed it, a 5-star review, and you could have those printed if you wanted to. There's postcards, poster size, flyers, social media posts. Like you can take a review and have it as a social media post. So it's already the right size and has a quote from the reviewer, has the name of your business up here. You can have one that says support us with your reviews and photos on Google. You know, interesting little things that a business owner may not have the resources or the time to create something like this, even though it's fairly simple. So this is something that a business owner could do with Google, fairly easily. Stickers. Here, review us sticker on Google, and these just stick to your the window of your business. You just have to have here's some instructions. There's different types. Okay, full-length video package. This was zipped. So this is unzipped. So you can create a short video. It's real easy to do. You put in what words you want to say on each screen, and they create the video for you. So you can have it in a horizontal or vertical or square. Like for Google My Business, the square one is the one you should use if you want to use it on that. You can use it on your website. You can use it anywhere you want to. And this is not something that you would pay a lot of money for somebody to create, but it's free to do, and I'll show you an example of what this looks like. Now I don't know why the sound went off on that, but when I posted it ran fine. So maybe there was a little glitch in there or something. Um, But it just shows off your business in a I think it's a 28-second video. Yeah, 28-second video, and it's kind of neat. You can put this together in literally a matter of minutes, and then have something that you can post um, on your Google My Business under posts. They have excuse me. Let me see if they have the horizontal one. How that is going to do. This takes up the full screen. Shows your location. So I mean, already has the musical background. Uh, so I think it's kind of neat, and it's free. Google provides all this for you. You don't have to use everything if you don't want to, but check it out. marketingkit.withgoogle.com. And again, I'll leave the link in the description. So everybody have a great day. Be blessed, and I'll see you next time.